That's in there. And another attempt to get the handle out of the brake lever thingy. So I'm gonna heat this up a bit. So I really want to get this off the handle, buy a new handle, steel rod, and make a new handle. I really need to get off these pieces here. We need to get them off. So the pin is loose, both in the outer and the inner part. So just need to get the pinning off. And then we should get the pin out. It must be here on the top. It must be where I can't really get to. You know what, guys? I think it's even thinner if I really look into. Let me clamp this in. I think I don't think we are gonna get this out if we don't drill it out. See, that's how thin that is, and then we go here and it's a lot thicker. I think they pinned that over quite well. Well, we need to drill one side out, I guess. Yeah. Well, then let's do that. Yeah, I didn't plan on drilling one side out here, but I guess that's how it's gonna be. let's try punching it out. Oh yeah. Seems it's moving now. Oh yeah. It's coming out, yeah. Nice. So let's take a look at the pin. No, it's stuck in here. Well, that's the pin. Yeah, I guess we were never gonna file that off. Never. Let me clean it and take a look. Take a look. Let me use a background here. Take a look at that pin. That's absolutely impossible. It's like a rivet, more or less. It's kind of been riveted in, and we were never gonna get it out. So when we get a new one, we kind of need to do the same. Make it hot, put it in, hammer it. Yeah. So now we can actually try a bit better. So the plan is get this really hot again, and then like a slide hammer go down on a stop, like do it so, like try to get this out that way. Why the f is it not moving? Is this screwed in? Really heated it up now. It's not moving at all. This is not moving, not at all. Yeah, that's just turning it in the vise. Wait a second. Is this moving? It's moving! We got it to move. Oh man. Yeah, we got it turning, man, guys. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh yeah. Woo! Guys, we got it out. Come on. Oh, we got it out, guys. I'm gonna put this on the oven so it doesn't crack or anything. Oh man. Woo! What a struggle. Oh, it's hot. I'm gonna get, oh man, that's super hot. Oh, what, but man, we got it. Oh man, I did the same thing I did last time, hammering it, but I guess we got a little bit more heat on it this time, or we cooled it down with water, let me say. Yeah, that might have been a difference, that we shrunk it a little. Somebody modified that, you see the wording there? It used to be a straight handle, and somebody wanted for the leg vise. I mean, he did a good job, but I want my old handle back, so so this is 19 or 20 millimeters, and we need to get this back in. I can buy the rod, no problem, but this, yeah, I'm not a blacksmith, so you need an anvil for that, I guess. I can bend it, get it hot in the oven and bend it. We can try. It's maybe. Well, got a lot done. Really happy about that. So for the handle, I'm thinking about getting 20mm steel rod and bending a new handle end. So this is hammered. I tested if our oven can get the heat, and it gets it really bright red, so we can actually shape it. So this is with hammering. If you have a long enough rod, you have a long enough lever, and you can probably just bend it if you put it in a blacksmith or in a leg vise or something. So this is with hammering. It was really tiresome, but it also showed me that my railroad anvil needs a horn. So we need to cut a piece out here. Yeah. Nope. So got this quite down as much as I can go with this sketchy thing. Let's see if we can hammer it off. So that's horned. So I got it off. Had I known that hammering would break it off, I wouldn't have cut this in half, but hammer immediately. Yeah, so we just need to make that a little bit pretty with a flap disc or some grinding disc. So, got it cut out, so we can hammer the handle, and it's hammering time. Ah. Nee, das geht schon noch, siehst du? Siehst du das? Ja. Ja. Oh ja, das geht. Gut. Was geht? Oh ja, Baby. Was geht? Wunderbar. Das hier. Ah, perfekt. Finished the bending. There's some hammer marks and everything. I need to dress that, file it down a bit. I kind of wish that bend would have been more roundish like this side, but it's okay. This is now 90 degrees with the rod, so that's okay. So now we need to cut it to size, file down the nicks a bit, and then this is done. So that's the finished product. I think I got all the nicks out, and I think there's like some kind of thin mill scale where we heated it up still on there. I would have to sand everything to get this off, but it feels smooth to the touch now. No more nicks and dents from hammering. And yeah, I think it looks really nice. Here is the original handle, and there's my handle. So yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy with it. For first time, I never did something like that. I think it turned out really nice.